So after looking at the crime scene, speaking to one particular eyewitness who had never been interviewed by police, who told me it was him that kicked open the door, then speaking with the young woman and the girlfriend who were actually in the apartment when it happened, I learned the facts of the story. And after meeting with police, and the police chief, I have to give him credit. He was absolutely very open and transparent about this investigation. He was not arrogant. He was not disrespectful. He was open. He was willing to share with us what he could based on what he knew, because the county had taken over investigation from his own department. But he shared very factual information with me that coincided with what I was able to see inside the apartment complex, the young woman I spoke to, and the two other witnesses I spoke with who were actually inside the apartment when it happened. And I never probably would have said this before yesterday. I think that police chief in Freeport should be looked at as an example of how to handle a shooting dealing with some young African-American male. The way he handled the situation, the way he worked with the community instantly to deal with what was happening, the way he gave me unprecedented access to a lot of the facts that I could see for myself, was able to suppress and quell a lot of the anger, the frustration, and the desire to riot and perhaps lead to looting, which is unfortunate. But that police chief made a magnificent move on the spot of how to deal with a situation like that, because even I was not expecting that. But when men of character and intelligence will see the facts, no matter where the facts lie, and stand on side of the truth, I think that's the middle ground. Truth should be the middle ground for the community and for the public and for the people. The truth is what we all should unite around. Black, white, brown, whatever your race is, whatever your class is, whatever the truth is what we should unite around. There shouldn't be two sides. There should be one side, the truth, and everybody side with the truth once we're able to gather all the facts.